All right, what I'm going to do today is show you as fast as possible how to fix this problem with your beats. I paid a lot of money, don't want to buy a new pair, don't want to pay hundreds of dollars to get them repaired. All you got to do, if it's just this hinge, a broken hinge, is you purchase this little package here, which I put a link in the description, got it from Amazon. And what they do is they send you for $17, which is awesome, is a little screwdriver that you need, tons of little extra screws that we're gonna need, and also replacement hinges. So, one out real quick. And as you can see with this hinge, there is a black piece that goes across it, right? You don't really need that. And to save tons of money and do this yourself, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take these wire cutters and you're gonna actually cut that little bar out right there, which I already did it on this one. So you see there's nothing. So now all you gotta do is, this is the broken hinge. You just gotta take it off with your little screwdriver. Real quick. All right. Okay. Take that off. This slides right off. It's my old one. What happened was, it's where you screw it, it's literally ripped. So that's why the headphones kept not cooperating. And then, a little bracket that's supposed to be in here. All right. Slide that little guy in there. This comes with the hinge. And then all you gotta do is just put the new one on. This is the one that I cut. We're gonna make sure the headphone is so awkward. All right, we're gonna make sure though. A little bit, don't get you there. Okay. And then all you gotta do is slide this one in. And you gotta snap it. It's a little difficult. It took me a minute to figure it out. And now I'm trying to figure it out again. Ah! It's not an easy job, but you can figure it out doing it yourself. You can save yourself tons of money. Snap it in like this. There we go. Snap it in. And then what you want to do is just glide that piece right in there. Bend this over. And we're just going to screw these in. And we should have a nice pair of fixed beats to DJ with again, to use in the studio, or whatever you do with your beats. But just want you to know, you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to make this happen. This is now all better. Both sides are great. You can fold it back up again, put it in your little case. Life is good.